Hi guys, remember this one? We've renovated this every year since we've been coming. Last couple of times had a renovation on. Thought I'd bring you back just to give you an update so you can see what it looks like and how it has progressed. Let's go through, take a look. So it's clay soil, so it does struggle in the rain. That's why we are renovating yearly. The aeration and then putting some gypsum down the holes along with the compost top dressing will gradually and slowly change the soil. Over a few years it's going to improve things no end. Now this end always suffers because it tends to get more boggy, but it's actually not doing too bad. So I think the gypsum is starting to have a bit of an effect. Overall it's looking good. It is looking good. He normally cuts it 3 times a week with his Allet mower, and he's just bought himself a verticutter cartridge, so he's going to be doing that to try and weaken off some of these seed heads which are now starting to show up in the lawn, as you can see. But he was hoping to have got it cut this morning before I came. But overall it's looking alright. Now he has put some of his own liquid fertiliser on in the last 2 weeks, just to try and take out some of the red thread, because he suffers with red thread a lot, and red thread is caused by high humidity. Now with it being clay, it retains water, and with the heat we create the perfect breeding ground for fungus, which is humidity. Okay, you've got the red needles there. It starts off as something called pink patch, okay, and then that can develop into red thread. So to counter red thread, you either put a fungicide on a dry day. Today is not a dry day, the ground is wet and it is slightly drizzling. We don't want that because the fungicide needs to stick to the leaf of the blade of grass. So what he's done is put some high nitrogen on fertiliser to try and take out some of that red thread in the lawn, and it has worked, but it's sort of gone a little bit patchy in places. So we are going to put a good fertiliser on today. It's more of a balanced fertiliser, but we also have some high nitrogen in with the weed killer, so it will even out things. So we won't have the light green and the dark green all mixed in. It will blend in and look a little bit more like this overall, and that is what we're trying to achieve. But yeah, overall, as you can see, results of the renovation are that it has done what it needed to do. The seeds have come through, everywhere is nice and thick. It is looking alright, and all good. What I'll do, I'll leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment, and that link is what you can go and watch, which will take you to when we did this renovation a month or 2 back, a couple of months, something like that, so you can see what we did and how we did it. Yeah, so I'm just going to crack on with this, but we'll catch you guys on the next one, and take care. See you soon.